Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Cheri and today is Thirsty Thursday, but it's also October 2nd, so we have to make a spooky drink today. Somewhat spooky. We're gonna make a brain hemorrhage. So before I get started, if this is your first time here, you love food, fun, and Halloween, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell, and check the description below. You can find details on how subscribing helps to feed the hungry. Okay, so I made this drink. So there's a brain hemorrhage, and I think there's also an alien brain hemorrhage. And the alien one uses, I think it's blue Caraco, I don't know how you say that, but it has blue in it. And I actually like the way this one looks better. So we're not gonna do the alien one. We're gonna do the regular brain hemorrhage. And I made this, I wanna say like 2 years ago, and I did it like on a Facebook Live. And I cannot find that video. That's why I can't find it, because it was a live. It wasn't a video. No, I think I saved all those. Anyway, it turned out great. And I tried to make one of these a couple of days ago and it didn't work. So and I had my stuff chilled, so I don't know what was going on. So we're gonna try it again today. Cross my fingers and hope this works. All right, so we need peach schnapps, Irish cream, and grenadine. So it says to put the peach schnapps in first. And like I said, all these are supposed to be cold. Okay, I think those look even. So now we are gonna pour in our Bailey's cream. If we can get it open. Really, really slowly. Really, really slowly. Real slow. It looks like a baby in a uterus. I moved my other camera down so you guys can see what it looks like. And I love it because they're all different. I think that looks good. Can you guys see that kind of looks like a brain? It kind of looks like a brain. Okay, now we need just a drop of this. I need like a eyedropper. That's what I need. Let's see if we can do one drop. I don't think I can do it. That looks like a pretty bloody brain though. Check that out. Looks pretty cool though, doesn't it? I think it looks cool. All right, let's see if we can get the grenadine in this one. I'm pretty close to the rim on here. I'm going to save this one for a photograph, I think. Unless you're going to do a shot with me. No. I'm probably going to gag too. These peach schnapps and... I don't know, peaches and cream is good, right? You'd what? This one or this one? This one? Yeah, that looks pretty good, I think. I'm going to try to make another one too. What time is it? Is it even time for a drink? It's 11:45. Close enough. This is not what I want to drink though, but it looks cool, doesn't it? I think it looks really cool for Halloween. All right, let's give it a go. Ugh. It's not as bad as I remember. It's not bad. It's mostly peaches. It's not that bad. No, I'm just not in the mood for like a milky kind of... If I was going to be drinking Bailey's, I'd probably put it in my coffee right now. And I can't even afford Bailey's. I can only afford Brady's. Oh my gosh, you guys have to try this because like I said, I think it looks really cool. It's pretty easy to do, right? So I don't know what I did wrong last time, but give it a try and drink it. Let me know what you think. Because I don't think it's that bad, but it's not that good either. So anyway, I thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.